Hi, everyone. It's Ann Skinner here with Keller Williams Realty in beautiful Summit County, Colorado. We're into June now, so we're going to be taking this time to wrap up our market stats for the last week of May and the month of May as a whole. So in Summit County this past week, we had 53 new residential listings. 7 properties fell out from under contract and came back on the market, and 37 properties went under contract. 12 properties actually closed this week, and overall we had about 670 active listings on the market at the end of the week. Really, the big number to focus on out of this data is that the number of properties going under contract has made a pretty good sized jump. That may be an indication that consumer confidence is kind of returning to the market. Now, for the month as a whole, we had 62 listings actually sell. Average days on market was 63 days. Listings sold for 96.94% of their asking price, and the average sale price was $932,193. So really, when we're looking at these numbers, we kind of need to pay a little bit of attention to the sales cycle. What that means is that properties that closed in May were actually going under contract in March and April, which was sort of the height of the pandemic for us. We really weren't allowed showings during that time, and so the market was a little bit wonky. Now, the folks who actually took the risk of going under contract on a property that they may not have been able to see before got some reward. They actually were able to buy that property for quite a bit less than we'd seen in previous months. In fact, it was about 1.5% less than we've seen in previous months. So that's a pretty substantial amount of savings. That's probably equating to around $10,000, maybe $12,000 for most of these folks. The other number to pay attention to is that the average sales price jumped quite a bit. That tells us that a lot of higher end properties were actually closing in May. So thanks for taking the time to go over the numbers with me. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, you can find me online at COMTN Realty. Thanks.